So once you open this box, you will get to see this. It's written Biotique Advanced Ayurveda, and here Ayurvedic 100% botanical extracts recipe. If you turn this, you will get to see all the steps from step 1 to step 5. All the steps are mentioned very well. What's up, welcome to my channel, and as I have promised you in my last Biotique skincare haul slash review video that very soon I will be uploading this Biotique Gold facial kit review on my channel. So yes, here the video comes, and if you haven't watched my Biotique skincare review slash haul video, then I will link it in the description box. Do make sure to check it out, or you can click somewhere here and can watch that video. If you're new here, then do make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also press the bell icon ghanti baja do, so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel, and it's absolutely free of cost. So do subscribe to my channel, and it won't take much of your time, but it will mean a lot to me. The first step is scrubbing or exfoliation, and all of us know the importance of scrubbing or exfoliation. You just have to take a small pea-sized quantity onto your damp skin and have to massage it in circular motion and in this upward motion, and massage it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you can rinse off with water, or you can take a damp wipe and then wipe it off. The second step is this massage step. This is this Gold Radiance massage gel, and before applying this massage gel, just make sure that your skin is dry. Then take some amount of this massage gel and apply it all over your face and your neck region. Please avoid it around your eye region. Then massage it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can definitely rinse off with water, or you can wash your face with a damp sponge. Third step is Gold Radiance Peel Off Mask, and what you have to do, you just have to apply this all over your face, and please avoid your eye area and your mouth area, and just wait for 15 to 20 minutes. And fourth step is this Biotique Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector. You can apply this over the dark spot areas of your skin, or you can also apply this all over your face according to your need. Fifth and the last step is this Biotique Gold Radiance Face Cream. Now you just have to apply it onto your face and your neck area, massage it well until this cream absorbs into your skin. So guys, that's all in my today's video, and if you like this video and find this video helpful, informative, then definitely do give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends, your family, and yeah, we'll meet you soon in my next video. Subscribe to my channel. Before that, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell button, so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel, and it's absolutely free of cost. So do subscribe, and we'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.